Hello friends, I am your friend Takshil Yadav with a new topic of biology, that is nutrition. All the living organisms, despite their great variety, need to perform various life processes. They need to eat, digest their food, reproduce young ones of their own kind, excrete the waste products of their body, and etc. Now, for these life processes, the organisms require energy and material. And they get this energy and material from the food they eat, and the food provides them nutrition. So we can say the process of procuring and utilization of food is called nutrition. The word nutrition is derived from a Latin word nutria, that means to nourish. Food contains nutrients, which are chemical substances that provide us nutrition. The chemical substances which are required for bodybuilding, energy, repair, growth and development of the body are called nutrients. They are present in the food we eat. Now there are many benefits and importance of nutrition. These are: it provides us energy. It helps in the growth. It helps in repair of damaged cells. It helps us in reproduction of young ones. Yeah, these are the importance of nutrition. So, as you know that now we'll study about the types of nutrition. The first type of nutrition is autotrophic nutrition. Yeah, it is autotrophic nutrition. And the second type is heterotrophic nutrition. It is heterotrophic. First, we will study about the first type, that is autotrophic nutrition. The mode of nutrition in which an organism can make its own food for its nutrition is called the autotrophic nutrition. Now, or we can say it is a mode of nutrition in which organisms are able to prepare their own food from inorganic raw materials with the help of energy. Now the organisms that perform autotrophic nutrition are called autotrophs. Yes, they are called autotrophs. The word autotroph is derived from two Greek words, that are auto and troph. Auto means self and troph means nourishment. So, the organisms that are able to nourish themselves by their own are called autotrophs, and they perform the autotrophic nutrition. Now, we will study the two types. Its two types are chemosynthesis and photosynthesis. First type is chemosynthesis. It is that type of autotrophic nutrition in which an organism is able to make its own food with the help of some chemicals. It is known as chemosynthesis. For example, some bacteria, they are known as chemoautotrophs. Now, the second type is photosynthesis. It is the second type of autotrophic nutrition. It is that type of autotrophic nutrition in which an organism makes its own food with the help of sunlight and chlorophyll pigment by CO2 and H2. For example, the green plants have this ability of photosynthesis. They are known as photoautotrophs. Now, the second type of nutrition is heterotrophic nutrition. The mode of nutrition in which an organism derives its food from another organism is called heterotrophic nutrition. Or we can say it is a mode of nutrition in which organisms obtain ready-made food from outside sources, as they cannot synthesize their own food. The organisms performing heterotrophic nutrition are known as heterotrophs. The word heterotroph is derived from two Greek words, that are hetero and troph. Hetero means other and troph means nourishment. So these organisms nourish themselves from the other sources of ready-made food. Now, heterotrophic nutrition is further divided into three types. These types are saprophytic or saprotrophic nutrition, parasitic nutrition, and holozoic nutrition. The third is holozoic nutrition. The first type of heterotrophic nutrition is saprophytic or saprotrophic nutrition. It is derived from two Greek words that are sapro and phyte or phytone. Sapro means rodent and phyte or phytone means plants. It is a mode of heterotrophic nutrition in which an organism obtains its food from dead and decaying organisms, excreta, fallen leaves, etc. Or we can say it is a mode of heterotrophic nutrition in which food is obtained from organic remains like dead organisms, excreta, fallen leaves, food articles, etc. Organisms that perform saprophytic nutrition are called saprophytes or saprotrophs. They are known as saprophytes or saprotrophs. For example, fungi, yeast, bread molds, mushrooms. Yeast, bread molds, and mushrooms. They are all types of fungi. And several bacteria, even plants. Some plants are saprophytic. Now, the saprotrophic nutrition or saprophytic nutrition in animals is called saprozoic nutrition. Yeah, the saprotrophic nutrition of animals is called saprozoic nutrition. The second type of heterotrophic nutrition, it is parasitic nutrition. The word parasitic is derived from two Greek words that are para and cytos. Para means other and cytos means food. It is a mode of heterotrophic nutrition in which an organism derives its food from another organism on which it lives. Or you can say it is a mode of heterotrophic nutrition in which living organisms flourish by obtaining food from another living organism. The organism that obtains its food food and shelter from the other organism is known as parasite, and the organism from which it obtains the food and shelter is known as the host. Parasites can be of two types: total parasites and partial parasites. Parasites which cause disease are known as pathogens. For example, Plasmodium causes malaria. Here, Plasmodium is a pathogen as it causes the malaria disease. And Trypanosoma causes sleeping sickness. Here, Trypanosoma is a pathogen as it causes sleeping sickness, that is a disease. Now, some of the parasitic plants are Cuscuta or Amartine, orchids, mistletoe. The Cuscuta is a total parasitic plant, and the mistletoe is a partial parasitic plant. The third type of heterotrophic nutrition is holozoic nutrition. The word holozoic is derived from two Greek words that are holo and zoon. The word holo means whole and zoon means animal. It is a mode of heterotrophic nutrition that involves intake of solid pieces of food. In it is a type of heterotrophic nutrition that involves the intake of solid pieces of food. Depending upon the sources of food, holozoic organisms are of four types. These organisms are the herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, and detrivores, also known as sponges. Herbivores, the organisms that eat only plants and plant products are known as herbivores. For example, the grasshopper, elephant, cow, rabbit, horse, etc. are the herbivores. Carnivores, the animals that eat the flesh, the organisms, you can say, the organisms that eat the flesh of other organisms are known as carnivores. For example, lion, tiger, leopard, snake, cheetah. Cheetah is a very good runner and comes under the category of carnivores. Omnivores. The organisms that eat both plant and plant products as well as the flesh of other animals are known as omnivores. For example, first of all, we humans are omnivores because some humans eat only vegetables and plants and plant products, while some humans eat the flesh and while some humans eat both. So we eat every kind of food that is obtained either from plants or plant products, even from the flesh of other organisms. So we come under the category of omnivores. Other omnivores are dog, pig, ant, cockroach. These are all examples of omnivores. And the detrivores or scavengers, these are the organisms that derive their nutrition from other dead and decaying organisms, such as vulture, hyena. Vulture is a very good scavenger, and it has some acids in its stomach that prevent food poisoning from the dead and decaying bodies. Yes. Now, thank you friends for watching this video. It was presented by me and I am Takshil Yadav. Thank you friends for watching this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel Takshil Yadav and do not forget to click the notification bell. Jai Hind.